สวัสดีครับ Welcome to Thailand Expat Language School. Today we are diving into an interesting part of Thai culture, the color of the day. Did you know that in Thailand each day has its own special color? Let's find out why and what each color mean. All right. In Thailand, colors and days go hand in hand, and it's traditional with root in Hindu, Buddhist astrology. Each day is associated with a specific color believed to bring good luck and balance. This idea comes from ancient belief where each day is ruled by deity and and in and a planet, which give that day is special energy. All right, let's go through each day, the color and the meaning. We will begin with Sunday or วันอาทิตย์ วันอาทิตย์ all right, Sunday. And the color for Sunday is red สีแดง สีแดง which means red. And it connected to the sun, symbolizing energy, passion, and joy. In Thailand, Sundays are often filled with family gathering, and red is thought to add warmth and excitement to the day. Next up is Monday or วันจันทร์ วันจันทร์ okay good วันจันทร์นะครับ which mean Monday. The color for Monday is yellow สีเหลือง yellow สีเหลือง linked to the moon god Chandra. All right. Monday represent calmness and creativity. Yellow is also special because King Bhumibol was born on Monday, so it's a popular color to wear on this day. Now we have Tuesday or วันอังคาร วันอังคารนะครับ วันอังคาร mean Tuesday. And pink is the color for Tuesday. Pink สีชมพู สีชมพู associated with Mars, which stand for energy and courage. Wearing pink on Tuesday is thought to bring strength and protection. Wednesday or วันพุธครับ วันพุธ Wednesday วันพุธ is green วันพุธ is green นะครับ วันพุธ mean Wednesday and the color for วันพุธ is สีเขียว สีเขียว green นะครับ green connected to the Mercury. Green represents growth, harmony, and peace. This day is perfect for new beginnings and finding calm. Next, we have Thursday. Thursday วันพฤหัสบดี วันพฤหัสบดี The color is orange สีส้ม สีส้ม tied to Jupiter, symbolizing wisdom and knowledge. Thursday is considered a great day for learning and intellectual activities. Friday วันศุกร์ Friday วันศุกร์ The color is blue. Blue สีฟ้า blue sky นะครับ สีฟ้า blue sky สีฟ้า linked to Venus. Blue is peaceful, refreshing, and represent beauty and love. Many people wear blue to celebrate the end of the week of the work week and prepare for relaxation. And finally, we have Saturday or วันเสาร์ วันเสาร์ The color for Saturday is purple สีม่วงนะครับ สีม่วง associated with Saturn. Purple stands for strength and resilience, making Saturday a great day to recharge and prepare for a new week ahead. And there you have it, each day of the week with its own color and special meaning in Thailand. You will often see people wearing this color on the corresponding days. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy learning about Thai culture, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss our next lesson. ขอบคุณครับ and see you next time สวัสดีครับ